To the discovery of electricity. So this particular task is all about understanding the foundations and the history of how we got electricity and what electricity is pretty much all about. So if you look in your homes, we've got everything powered by electricity, whether it's the internet, whether it's our TVs, computers, microwave ovens, our toasters in our kitchen, our ovens, our light bulbs, our computers, our mobile phones, our digital laptops. Everything is powered by electricity. And how convenient is it that we live in an age where we have our appliances that run through electricity? So how does electricity come to our house exactly? Well, we have huge national power stations dotted around the country. And these power stations burn lots and lots of oil, gas, and coal. However, since recent times, we've also got power being generated by wind turbines and also tidal waves and power from the sea as well as solar power as well. So once that power is generated from burning coal, oil, gas, or the wind or the sun, it flows through electric wires, and that power we actually consume, and it gets distributed to millions and millions of homes around the UK. So have a read of this task, and you'll see a few characters from history that had a small input and a big input in terms of generating electricity. And you've got some questions to answer thereafter, and we'll follow these up in our next lesson. Good luck. Thank you.